In this lecture, we will be exploring the vbind directive, and we'll see how we can make use of it to apply styles and classes to our HTML elements. Over here, you can see that we have a div and this li, which was showing all the courses that we have in our courses collection. Over here, you can see that we have this vbind directive, which is being binded to this class. So we have this span tag, which has got this class attribute, and here what we are trying to say is, if the visible value is set to true, then apply this class comp. So here in our script, if you see, we have the visible currently set to true. So if the visible value is true, then we will have this class comp applied. So when we'll see the span tag in action, it will be like span class equals comp, and then the course title will be appearing. Similarly, we can apply specific styles as well to our elements. For instance, here you can see that we have this color green, and the same has been applied to this div. We have made use of the vbind directive, which is now associated with the style attribute, and all we are saying is this is the attribute color which we want to apply, and here is the value which will be associated. So if I just change it here, make it color green, and here also we will say it in this way, color green. Let's save this now. So now when I'll run this one, we will have the class applied because the visible attribute is true, and color green as it has got the value green. And there you go, you can see that for this div we have the green color, and for this one we have the chocolate color. Now let's inspect as well. There you go, the style equals color green, and for the li attribute you can see that we have the span tag class comp is applied. Now if I go ahead and make this value visible to false, and here you can see that the color has gone now, it's all black. So that's how we apply classes and styles using Vue. One more thing that I would like to capture in this one is we can pass methods which has got some parameters using the vOn directive. For instance, we have this greet button, which is calling this function greet, having this value being passed as a parameter, and all we need to do is inside the methods we need to define that function with the variable being passed as a parameter, and then we can make use of it. For instance, here we are just logging it in the console. If I go ahead and click on the greet button now, you'll see the message appearing as hello in the console log. So that's how we do class and style binding in Vue.